don't forget to subscribe.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and woken up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing another makeup video purchased by Amazon. The makeup set that I have is called My First Makeup Set and it's by Make It Up. And also it's age 5+, and we've also got some new brushes. Okay, so I'm just going to run you through what I've got in this one as well. So what I have on this one is blush, which looks really nice because it's got a flower on it. And then we've got some eyeshadow here. And then we've got some lip gloss. And this is just to make like more stuff glitterier. So, oh, and we've got some brushes, different kinds. So let's get started. So we have a different sort of like brushes. I'm just going to run you through what they're all used for. So let's start with this one. I think this one is probably for like lips, and also this one for lips because it's got like a little corner piece that's just like cut off. And then this one and this one are more for cheeks, and then we have this one which is more for eyes. These brushes are actually really soft, especially this one. It's just nice. So I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow, and I'm thinking to go with this one for like all over, and then this greenish one for like underneath a bit. So I'm just about to do the lip gloss, and I think I'm going to go for this blue colour. I'm going to move on to my blush. And we've got this brush or this brush. I'm going to use this brush because it's nice and soft. I'm gonna go for this colour because it's really dark, and that's kind of what I'm going for. Because all the other ones that I've used are really dark. Yeah, this brush doesn't show up. I'll use this brush then. Yep, this one's way better. We have different kind of glitters. I think I'm gonna go for this greeny turquoisey because it matches my eyes. So I'll go for that one. It's really nice. Yeah, I think I'll do. I like that. So I've decided instead of a blue, I'm gonna go for a red because it's really like nice. So I'm just going to add a little glitter underneath. And I've tried to go for like a mermaidy look because that's really cute. And it kind of looks like this. So this is my finished look. I'm just going to tell you about stuff that I liked about this makeup set and what I liked. I liked this glittery stuff, and I liked the eyeshadow and the lip gloss, because my favourite colour out of all of this set, so with the glittery stuff, my favourite colour on here would be this turquoisey colour, and then with the lip glosses, my favourite colour would be either these three, because they're really pretty, and with the eyeshadows, my favourite colour was the greenish, and with this blush, I like the nice pale colour, the pinky. I just really like the brushes because they match my look. Well, mostly my eyes. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a big thumbs up. Bye guys!